We're living in an era where technology isn't just outside us but is becoming a part of us. Today, we delve into the incredible world of biohacking. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're journeying into the realm of biohacking. But first, what exactly is biohacking? Biohacking, in simple terms, is the art and science of optimizing your body, mind, and life with biological, technological, and nutritional tools. From the simple act of modifying our diet to optimize performance, to implanting chips that can unlock doors, biohacking is a spectrum of activities, each more intriguing than the last. Now, this might look like science fiction, but it's real. So, why would someone want to augment their body with technology? It's about pushing the boundaries, seeing what's possible. For me, it's about convenience. My hand can now do what a handful of keys used to. I believe in enhancing human capabilities, and biohacking offers a direct path. But it's not just about implants. Biohacking dives deep, right to our genes. CRISPR technology, for instance, allows us to edit genes. Imagine eradicating genetic disorders or enhancing certain traits. While the possibilities seem endless, biohacking also brings forth ethical questions. Where do we draw the line between enhancement and altering what's fundamentally human? And who gets to decide? As with any new frontier, biohacking is a blend of promise and caution. From potential medical breakthroughs to the dream of transcending our biological limitations, the world of biohacking is evolving every day. So, would you augment your body with technology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of biohacking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe TechLape AI for more deep dives into the mysteries of our time. Until next time, keep exploring TechLape AI.